Thank you so much for clicking onto the video. It's me, Divine Draco. Welcome to another video. So this is basically a pick a card reading to see what you can expect in the month of March 2021. Okay, so there will be three decks. You can choose from any of them which you feel most drawn to, and then you can fast forward to the timestamps I provide below. Okay, so for everyone who chose deck number one, let's see what we have for you. Okay, so you got this beautiful card of protect your dreams. Okay, guys, so yeah, my deck number one, the overall energy is to protect your dreams. Okay, let me just read what's on the card. You are the guardian of your precious dreams, and they are safe in your care. Keep them close to your heart until you are ready to release them. Okay, what I can say for deck number one is, guys, I'm seeing that maybe you are now not ready to take big steps or the major decisions of your life. It almost feels to me March 2021 is the time where you protect your dreams. Okay, like I know you got dreams, okay, and you are capable of achieving them. But what spirit is showing me is in March 2021 is now not the perfect time of releasing your dreams. Now is the time you take care of your dreams and nurture them. Okay, do the research that you want to do, and then when you feel that you are ultimately ready, fully ready, at that time you should realize your dreams. Okay, and let's just see what you can expect in the month of uh, March 2021. Okay, so I'm so sorry, the card just dropped off. I got, see, I got the Eight of Swords over here. Okay, this almost shows me that deck number one, you feel stuck. Okay, I'm seeing that people who chose deck number one feel stuck with whatever it is that's been happening around them or with their current situation. With the Eight of Swords, I'm seeing it right away that you are not happy to where you are currently. You are not happy with the situation. Okay, and it almost feels to me that you feel stuck with whatever it is that's been going on, whatever it is that's happening all around you. You feel stuck with that. Protect your dreams because you know um, for everything there is perfect timing, they say. Okay, so now is not the time. Okay, it's okay if you feel stuck. Okay, it's okay if you feel trapped, but uh, you know keep faith in God. Okay, don't let the hope inside you die, because good days are ahead. Okay, and let's just quickly see what's coming for you uh, regarding work and career. Okay, what's coming for deck number one. Oh my god, we just got uh, again, guys. See, when I asked what is coming for you in terms of work and career, I got the Five of Pentacles card again. Five of Pentacles, it shows that you feel like no matter how hard work you put into something, it doesn't really pays off. Okay, and you feel stuck, you feel trapped with all your current situation and whatever that's been happening around you. Also, I see that you feel lack of financial abundance within yourself and around yourself with Five of Pentacles. But what you need to keep in mind is just keep telling yourself that okay, I'll just, if no one else will, I will hold myself in times of uh, difficulties. Okay, and I will protect myself, I will protect my dreams, and when the ultimate time will come, that's the time when I am going to release them all. Okay, so yeah, that's something I'm seeing for you, that you are wherever you are. It's, I don't know if this sounds harsh or rude, but wherever you are currently does not follows your highest self, okay, or it does not follows your highest calling. Fairy messages for deck number 1. Oh my god, thank you. Sorry. Okay. Precious time. Okay. Fairy messages for deck number 1 is precious time. The fairy of time wants you to experience every moment fully to make the most of your precious time. Be mindful not to waste others' time either. See, guys, that's what I was talking about. That's what I was saying. That now is currently whatever it is that you are going through in your life, you don't feel happiness within yourself, you feel stuck with your current situation and everything that's been happening. But and that's the same thing. Okay, the wind is blowing actually, so that's bringing, the trees are bringing shade on my face. The sun is about to set. I gotta shoot quickly. Anyway, fairy of time. With this card, guys, what I can tell you is, trust the timing. Okay, the fairies want you to believe in that. Your spirit wants to believe in that you should trust the timing of life. Okay, so for all of you who chose deck number 1, I gotta tell you guys that maybe it's not it's okay if you don't feel right, okay, it's okay if you feel trapped with your current situation. It's okay, guys, okay, but what you need to keep in mind is to protect your dreams and be mindful of your time, okay. It's okay if now is not the time where everything is happening perfectly or as you planned, but trust God, have faith, and everything will be fine. So I think that's all I have for deck number 1. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. For everyone who chose deck number 2, here's your reading. And I'm sorry, guys, actually, I had to change my backdrop because the sun was about to set, so it almost like I'm racing with the sun, so I have just changed my background. Anyway, I feel so connected with you and so happy for you because in the overall energy, I got this beautiful card of new beginnings, okay. So for everyone who chose deck number 2, I want to tell you that March 2021, guys, is all about new beginnings for you, okay. I almost see that you will be starting new projects or there will be major shifts in your career, okay. It can also be like you might change your job as well, okay, or it's like you have ended one cycle of your life and you are about to start a new cycle of your life. So I don't know why, but I'm so excited for everyone who chose deck number 2 because this is all about new beginnings, okay. Deck number 2 is all about new beginnings, okay. The fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby or the birth of a cherished idea. Protect and nurture your ideas as you would a baby, okay. Maybe a new family member might be coming in your family, so that can also be a case, a new member coming in, or you might start a new project or a new idea may pop in your mind, okay. So what spirit is telling you is nurture and care whatever this new idea is on your mind, okay. Don't let it you know just pass by, okay. Let's just see what deck number 2 can expect in the month of March 2021. What can deck number 2 expect? Thank you. We got the Page of Swords, okay. So with the sorry, we got the Page of Swords card right over here, okay. So what I'm seeing with Page of Swords is maybe deck number 2 is wants to express themselves, okay, or wants to find their truest self, okay, or truest form of self expression. Yeah, that's right. Deck number 2 wants to communicate who they truly are and what's the good news for deck number 2 is, guys, Mars is entering Gemini on March 3rd. Yeah, on March 3rd. So it encourages you, it encourages deck number 2 to find the truest form of expressing your own self. Okay, don't be afraid to put yourself out into the world. Be who you truly are. Okay, and if there are things that are holding you back, just let them go off, because March 2021 is definitely a very great time to start new things in your life. Okay, and let's see what deck number 2 can expect in terms of work and career. What can deck number 2 expect in terms of work and career for the month of March 2021? For the month of March 2021, what can deck number 2 expect? Thank you. Oh my god. Guys, I have the Queen of Pentacles card right over here. Oh, sorry, it's not in reverse, but I just so I have the Queen of Pentacles card right over here for deck number 2. Deck number 2, I can just feel the vibe, I can just feel the energy you all are on. Okay, this shows me that you are basically the boss bitch of your life. Okay, deck number 2 knows where they want to go. They have new ideas coming on their mind, and what I want to give what personal advice I want to give to deck number 2 is, guys, whatever it is that you are starting now. Okay, it might be a new project or a new idea on your mind. Whatever it is that you are starting right now beholds great potential for financial abundance. Okay, so just don't worry about your finances or how you are going to make money out of things, because that's truly not what you should be worried about now. Okay, because whatever the new idea or the new project you are about to begin in your life is going to bring in a lot of financial abundance for you. Okay, and one more thing that I want to add up over here is, just don't be scared to put yourself out into the world or express who you truly are. Okay, and let's see what fairies have in store for you. Fairy messages for deck number 2. Fairy messages for deck number 2. Let's see what fairies have for you. Fairy messages for deck number 2. Guys, it is so beautiful that you okay, we got the temptation card. Okay, maybe there are some things that tempts you or gives you a lot of pleasure, but what I am seeing with the new beginning, Queen of Pentacles and Page of Swords right over here, is, if there are things that that give you temporary happiness or temporary satisfaction or temporary pleasure, let them go. Okay, let them go, because you have the power to um, let go of all the toxic behaviors or all the toxic patterns that have been following you. If there are some things you are clinging on to because they give you temporary happiness, just let them go. Okay, because March 2021, I feel that it's your month. Okay, maybe, I don't know why, but I'm sensing some Aries energy. Anyway, let's see what message your higher self wants to give you. Okay, thank you so much. We have the transformation card over here. Guys, look at this, how beautiful this card is. Things are changing at a cellular level. Deep healing, isn't that what I was talking about? I told you that if there is something, some toxic patterns or some things, or maybe your guilty pleasures, just let them go off, because now is the time to start the new cycle of your life. New beginnings are ahead of you, and these new beginnings behold great potential of financial abundance. And don't be afraid to put yourself out into the world, okay? Express who you truly are on a soul level. And with this beautiful card of transformation, is what I'm seeing is, you are stepping into the power, you are transforming yourself. I'm so happy for all of you um, who are brave enough to end whatever it is that's been holding them back and to start the new beginnings of life. So, for deck number 2, March 2021 is going to be all about new beginnings and transformation for you guys. So, best of luck for this new journey of yours, or the new chapter that you are about to begin. So, I think that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. So, for everyone who chose deck number 3, here's your reading and what you can expect for the month of March 2021. And I'm so sorry, guys, for the change in the background, because the sun is about to set, so I have to change the backgrounds. Anyway, let's just get into the video. The overall energy what we have for you guys is of purity, okay? So with this, okay, with this card of purity right over here, what I'm seeing, it's so beautiful. This card is so beautiful. It's all pink. I'm also pink today. So let me just read what's on the card. Purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart, and within it, you will find the answer to your question. Okay, so for everyone who chose deck number 3, guys, what I want to tell you right away is, you have so much of pure intentions within you. Your heart is so pure, it's almost like you guys have the heart of gold, okay? Maybe some people have also told you that oh my god, you are so kind hearted. But what I'm seeing with this card over here is, maybe you feel stuck in a situation, or there are some answers that you are seeking for, okay? So what I want to tell you is, look deep within your heart, okay? um, One thing that I want to share through this channel that I have created, my main motto is, to tell people to be brave enough to follow your heart, okay? And what I'm seeing, deck number 3, you are the people, you are a heart chakra person basically, okay? So always listen to your heart. If there is something your heart is telling you to do, then just do it, okay? Because I just because your heart beholds your highest soul purpose, okay? So if there is something in your heart which you want to do, listen to your heart. Listen to your heart, okay? Don't listen to anyone else, don't listen to people around you, just listen to yourself and follow your heart, okay? Let's see what deck number 3 can expect. Thank you so much. In the month of March 2021, so I got the 7 of Cups card. See, guys, I was telling you that there are multiple options. Sorry, there are multiple options available to you, okay? But what I'm seeing is, you are maybe confused with what it is that's been presented to you, and you don't know which path to choose, okay? You don't know what it is that you should be doing right now. But what I am seeing over here for deck number 3, and what advice I can give you guys is to follow your heart, okay? With all the options that are available to you, there will definitely be an option that is what your heart wants to do, okay? Or that is what you have always desired to do, okay? So go with that option. If there are multiple options being presented to you, don't feel lost, just follow your heart, okay? Let's see what's coming for you. Thank you so much. I didn't even ask the question and we got the answer. let's see what's coming for you in terms of work and career. We have the Three of Cups over here. So with this, what I'm seeing right away is maybe you guys will be collaborating with people, or you know, there will be some sort of celebration in your uh, workplace, or in your, maybe in your home. Okay, but I'm also seeing that there will be work collaborations presented to you. Okay, if someone is willing to work with you, okay, if someone is asking you to collaborate with them, I think you should give it a try. Okay, don't just say no right away. Evaluate all the options that are being presented to you. And it's what I'm seeing is March 2021 is a good time for collaboration with others. Okay, let's see what fairies have in store for deck number 3. What's fairy messages for deck number 3? Fairy messages for deck number 3. Thank you so much. Um, oh wow, this is a beautiful card. Okay, we got the magical gateway card. Okay, it takes courage and trust to venture into the unknown. Yet, this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. With this magical gateway card, it talks about, stop looking back, okay, or stop looking at your current situation. Stay focused to where it is that you want to do. Also, yeah, the reason why most of us don't listen to our hearts, or don't follow our hearts towards desire, is because we are so, we are so afraid of the unknown. But what fairies are trying to tell you is, don't be afraid of the unknown. Okay, because it's in the unknown that your greatest rewards are. Okay, so if there are some things that you are being called to do, you should just go and do them. Okay, follow your heart. And also, let's see what's the message from your higher self. Thank you so much. Okay, answer the call. I got the card. This is crazy, guys. Answer the call. What is your soul calling you to do? See, choose the path your heart wants you to follow. Okay, there is something that your heart desires to do. Okay, so just stop being afraid of the unknown. Okay, just answer the call, listen to your heart, and that is where you will find your magical gateway and your greatest rewards. So I think that's all I have for deck number 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a good one, and I'll see you later. Bye.